TL2204, your project vlogger host. Subscribe!
Ladies and gentlemen, isa na namang bagong reyna ang sumikat sa Land of Smiles sa napakagandang coronation night ng Miss Grand Thailand 2026, ang Miss Grand Chonburi ang humataw at kinoronahan bilang bagong Miss Grand Thailand 2026. Grabe ang level ng kompetisyon. Lahat ng candidates ay ipinakita ang kanilang ganda, kumpiyansa at advokasya ng Miss Grand International Organization, promoting peace and soft power of Thailand. Pero si Miss Grand Chonburi ang standout sa stage with her poise, charisma at galing sa Q&A. She captured both the judges' hearts at pati na rin ng audience. Ang crowning moment niya, super emotional, graceful at unforgettable. Siya na ngayon ang bagong reyna ng Thailand at handa na irepresenta ang bansa sa Miss Grand International 2026. Fans all over the world are celebrating her win, and we can't wait to see if she'll bring another international crown home for Thailand. Once again, congratulations to our new Miss Grand Thailand 2026, Miss Grand Chonburi.